Hello love and welcome to my channel. My name is Ash. If you're new here, I hope you decide to hit that subscribe button, honey, and join the family. Today I wanted to just jump off October with, you know, this cute little orange and black look. I have some glitter, I have black lips, ooh, I did some cute ass braids, and I'm wearing my hair natural. My hair's been getting so much longer, so I've been loving my curls, I've been loving my growth, so I'm trying to try different styles, but I also want to wear wigs. Oh my gosh. But it's Halloween, and like I told you guys, I'm so excited. This is my month. This is where all the fun happens. I'm so excited for all the looks to come. I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks for watching. If you do like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see how I got this look, go ahead and keep watching. Let's get to it. Alright, so starting off with my brows, I'm going to just brush them up with the spoolie, and then taking some dark brown eyeshadow, I'm going to just fill in my brows a little bit so they're more full. Now I'm going to define them with this NYX brow pencil. I love it. This is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I'm going to just clean up my brows with that. Yes, honey. I love how it blends out. I'm also using this as an eyeshadow base. So I'm going to just put that all over my lid, blend it up into my brow bone. I really like this concealer. Now this is the Alternative Rock palette by The Balm. I'm taking the lightest shade right there at the top, and I'm going to just set my entire lid. And then I'm going to use this dark brown shade in my crease to just give it a little bit of definition, nothing crazy. And then I'm going to take this eyeshadow base in white by NYX, and I'm going to do some white liner. I want it all over my lid. I love it because it's so creamy, it's easy to work with, and yes, affordable. As always, that's important. Alright, so now this is the Orange Loose UV eyeshadow. I got this off of Amazon, and I'm going to just kind of tap it onto my lid so that way we get the maximum pigment. There's a lot of fallout, so just be aware of that. Don't do your foundation first. And then of course just make sure it's all over your lid. Now this is the liquid liner in matte from NYX, and I'm going to do tiger stripes. So some are straight, some are kind of jagged. I'm doing it at an angle and just pulling straight down, so whatever the brush does is kind of what you get, but that's the fun of it. So don't be too clean, honey. I wanted just a thin line underneath the entire, you know, lid, I guess, to just kind of like crisp and sharpen it. That was the Voluminous Mascara, and these are 3D Lashes by Ienvy. Moving on to the face, I love this EVIAN spray. I've never tried it before, but it is so bomb, so moisturizing. This is the Rose Primer by Wet n Wild. It smells really, really good, and it feels super good on the skin. I'm gonna just put that all over my face. Isn't that liner fun, you guys? My gosh, I hope you try it. Yes, blend it all out. Make sure it's everywhere. Now this is an orange-red lipstick, a cream lipstick, and I'm gonna just color correct with that. I actually really like how this works, more so than what I used before. So I kind of just switch back and forth, but you want to put it on all your dark spots. Now I'm going to mix these two. This is the Rimmel London foundation. This is like a Stay Matte Mousse foundation. Super, super full coverage. I freaking love it. And it's like $5. I'm not even kidding. So inexpensive. Now I'm going back with the same concealer I used on my eyes, and I'm going to just conceal my face. Highlight. Oh, I love how this just transforms your face. Absolutely beautiful. Make sure you tap very softly too, so that way you don't lose any of the coverage. Now I'm going to set that with banana powder, also from Wet n Wild. Yes, honey. I love. And then the loose photo focus powder in Deep from Wet n Wild also. All these products are so affordable. And of course you want to tap that into your face as well. So airbrushed. Yes, honey. And using that same brush, I just dust off any of the excess powder. Now I'm going to take this MAC Studio Fix powder in NW45, and I'm going to contour. I did one swipe and it's super, super pigmented, so that's why I did it on both cheeks. And then bring it up your temples, the forehead a little bit. Now for blush, I'm taking this Isn't It Peachy palette by Makeup Obsession. That orange shade, since my eyes are orange, I kind of wanted to complement it with my skin. And then the highlighter that's in there is going to pair well with the blush, so I use that as well. And you want to do all the points on your face that the light hits naturally. Yes, honey, glisten. And then this is the e.l.f. setting spray. It's microfine mist. And now glitter adhesive and black glitter. Ooh, this is the fun part. I love glitter on the lower lashes. It's just so much fun. And I wanted it to offset the orange, so my white liner, mascara, and then black lipstick. Oh my gosh, how fun. Not every day do you get to wear black lipstick. I mean, if you want to, I guess, but yes, honey, all done. All right, darling, I hope you did enjoy this video. Super simple, super easy, affordable products. You already know. So thanks for watching. I love you guys. Have a good day.